What is up, guys? So in this video I'm going to be doing a cold startup on my car. It has a rough idle, so you guys will get to see what a cold start on a rough idle kind of sounds like. It kind of starts normal and then it'll kind of start popping a little bit in the exhaust. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and that's basically all I can do because I can't drive my car. Well, I can, but I'm not going to because I don't want to make the issue worse that it has. So I'm just going to show you guys that, and I'll probably conclude the video. But so I'm just going to go to that. If you guys just want to skip straight to that part, I'm going to put a timestamp right here, and you guys can just skip to that and check the cold start out. Yeah, I have to go to the garage. Where's my keys? I don't know where my keys are. Keys. This was not planned in the video at all. Really don't know where my keys are. Oh, they're outside the garage. So right now, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on with my car. I already checked the air filters, I checked cylinders, checked coils, checked spark plugs, checked that, I think that's the ignition switch or something like that, not 100% sure. And then if you look down in there and see that little stem thingy down there, those are, I think, O2 sensors or exhaust sensors or something like that. So I already checked those, had to take my front panel off, and yeah. Here's a cold startup on a Nissan 300ZX with rough idle. So if you guys could not tell from that, you could hear like a little bit of a rumble. So that's how you notice it was a rough idle. And yeah, I have an appointment to go take this into a shop on Monday. If I can figure it out before then, and that's what I will do. But I have not been able to figure that out yet. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll keep you updated, and I can start doing cool videos, maybe put some mods on my car. Not any big ones, probably just painting or rims or stuff like that. Or I don't know, just leave what you want in the description. I mean, comments. Sorry, having struggles. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'm out.
I got that California.